you guys ever walked into an Apple store and you were just like, whoa, everything is so shiny here. Everything is fingerprintless. Everything just looks absolutely amazing, and that's why you get an attachment to it, right? Well, let me tell you a little product that Apple uses. This is WHOOSH. And WHOOSH is an Apple certified screen cleaner that makes the devices have fingerprint resistant. So I knew of this product for quite some time and I just never chose to get it. Maybe because it was like 70 bucks then, but now it's like 11 bucks, $20 for a full bottle of it. I might just keep it and keep buying them, you know. It's honestly a steal. But without any further ado, let's go ahead and unbox this and let me tell you guys what's in here. So first, you're gonna start off with that 1 ounce bottle of the spray, as well as a microfiber cloth. That's just about it though. There's nothing fancy, nothing too exciting besides for the fingerprint resistance. I went ahead and tried it on my iPad Pro first. I do have a glass screen protector on it, and it worked pretty good. I did also clean my Mio Mini Plus as well as my Poco phone. So I did a quick wipe down on all 3 of these. And just look how shiny these devices are. And the fingerprint resistant does work, just not as good as I thought it would. Anyways, but let's take a look at the before and afters and then give it a full-on rating. So this was my iPad. This is my iPad Pro now. After cleaning it, this is my Poco phone. And this is my Poco phone after cleaning it. This is my Mio Mini and my Mio Mini Plus after cleaning it with the spray. Left it very sparkling clean and shiny. I felt like it did a pretty good job. So after using it and putting this all together, WHOOSH is an absolutely amazing product. I definitely rate it a solid 8.5 out of 10. It does the job. Like I said, the fingerprint resistantness does work pretty well, but it's not like a forever thing. But it does clean 99.9% of germs on your device, and I think that's honestly pretty cool. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And also, more videos are coming soon. I am trying to create more long form videos because I feel like it's always shorts, but I like doing long form videos too. See you guys in the next video, and don't forget to get WHOOSH. If you guys want to check it out, it's going to be down in the description below. Peace out.